You are watching a rare video of first Tesla Giga Berlin made Model Y driving out of Tesla Gigafactory to the owner, to the new home for this Tesla Model Y made at Giga Berlin. Let's watch the video and continue the discussion. As I'm watching this video and I was looking the Twitter thread where the video was posted, and you can see the credit in the description of this video, some people say Tesla Giga Berlin bet Giga Texas. But friends, you know, to be fair, Texas started later and is much larger than Tesla Giga Berlin, and the battery factory is almost already running at Texas. But as Joe Techmeyer in a gentleman manner wrote, we are all on the same team, he said. Whether it's Giga Berlin or Giga Texas, this is good news for Tesla. So what do you think about that Tesla running away from, running actually out of the Gigafactory? This is the first Tesla Model Y running out of the Gigafactory to the new owner. Giga Berlin was created to put maximum pressure on the German auto industry. It was created directly to compete in Europe and take significant market share from the German automakers. Now, lots of things are still to be done at Giga Berlin, and Berlin will always be a challenge maybe for Tesla, but Tesla is finally is getting ready and working with its supply chain and beginning to ramp up the production. In fact, look for my next report about the ramp up of production at Tesla Giga Berlin, because I have numbers that I will share with you. Now, in the meantime, 30 electric Tesla Model Y vehicles were sold yesterday at Tesla Giga Berlin, and one person commenting on our YouTube channel yesterday said that is more electric vehicles in a day than GM electric vehicle sold in United States in Q4 2021, who is purportedly the American leader in electric vehicles. But again, my support to GM and their effort for electric vehicles. We should not let them down. So it's amazing to see the factory up and running at last. I mean, Tesla Giga Berlin. Many hurdles yet to come, but that is always the case with any electric vehicle production or any big business. Big factories like this are amazingly complex, and there is a crisis happening every day. But Tesla will find a way through like always. This is a big win for Tesla and Germany, friends. Giga Berlin is opening. Thousands of German workers are going to have a great job at a world-leading company. If things go well, Tesla will expand the supporting buildings and employ even more workers. This is just the start. You know, I was waiting for this most significant and historical event in the automotive industry, and this would be a great happiest day for electric vehicle enthusiasts. It's great to see Tesla getting to this point. Mega day for electric car products in Europe, production in Europe, and I'm very delighted with this happy and positive outcome for Tesla and for electric vehicles. Now, the US company wants to produce the Model Y in its first European production facility. It is a compact electric SUV, I mean the Model Y, with four-wheel drive, powered by a dual motor, and has a range of up to 533 kilometers. The basic version costs almost 58,000 euros. You know, Tesla Model Y prices and car prices in general have gone up in the last 1 year because of supply chain issues as well as chip issues, but Tesla had found a very nice way to overcome the chip issue by rerouting their technology. According to Tesla, the Model Y is the vehicle with the shortest range in the Tesla family, especially since the sportier performance version has a range of 514 kilometers, which is almost 20 kilometers less. For comparison, both the Model S and the Model 3 have variants with ranges of over 600 kilometers. Nevertheless, Tesla seems to be expecting high demand in Europe. And look for my next report, because I'm going to tell you about the ramp up of production at Giga Berlin based on the numbers provided at Automotor Sport. Now, further product features are to be added in the future to Tesla and Giga Berlin. Especially look for the batteries. But the first Model Y was already we saw the solid black color, but the first Model Y will be produced at Giga Berlin in the two following colors. Those are pearl white multi-coat and solid black, which we saw Elon Musk giving the key to the first owner, and as you see in this video, going out of the Gigafactory. According to Tesla's website, additional colors should be available starting May 2022. Now we are March 23, 2022. So April 23, 1.5 months, friends, and you will see the new colors coming from Tesla Giga Berlin's famous paint shop. Remember the reason I say famous is because Elon Musk spoke about that earlier, about a year or a year and a half ago, saying Tesla Giga Berlin will have the most advanced paint shop, bringing new colors, really good quality colors. This is why I said that according to Tesla website, additional colors should be available from May. It remains, however, unclear when the full production of the Model Y maximum range variant should roll off the assembly line in Grünheide at Tesla Giga Berlin. So far, automotive industry insiders have assumed that it will initially continue to be produced in China. So, what are your thoughts? I think Tesla will take at least several months to ramp up the production with this version, to feel comfortable with the production of this version, and when there are no major issues and hurdles, then Tesla will start introducing new products. But it will take, in my opinion, at least several months. What do you think? Do you think it will take less than that or more than that? I don't know. But right now, Tesla has more than 2,600, close to 3,000 workers, people working at Giga Berlin and expecting 12,000 employees. Now imagine the effect coming on that. In fact, look for my channel today. I'm planning another report, like what happens after the opening of Tesla Giga Berlin. It should come in several hours. Now, the US electric car manufacturer intends to employ a total of 12,000 people at Giga Berlin in Grünheide. There are now around 2,600 people working at the plant. This was the numbers that I saw yesterday. However, today I'm seeing that Tesla has already hired 3,000 plus workers. Does that mean Tesla in one day, in such a busy day, hired 400 more people? I don't know, could be. Tesla obviously has several agencies working for the hiring of people for Giga Berlin electric vehicle Gigafactory. The employment agency and the IG Metall trade union assume that more employees in the production area will be added after the official start of Tuesday, and therefore we are not surprised to see so many people now hired at one day. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. Friends, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please also subscribe to our channel because I plan several interesting reports coming today. One of them is what happens next at Tesla Giga Berlin. The next one is what will be the ramp up of Tesla Giga Berlin. The third one will be Elon Musk is thinking Tesla aims to complete Cybertruck development this year for production in 2023. And yet another report, Elon Musk announcing Tesla is working on a new manganese battery cell. Imagine, we're talking about 4680 batteries and now we're talking about new manganese battery cell. What it will be. Subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news to learn all of these things, and ring the bell so after you subscribe you don't miss my next coverage coming on these subjects. God bless you everyone, peace be with all of you and to the world and with your families. Have a great day. See you soon in our next report.